A little bit of sand in there, I think.
Why would they have sand in it? You've been driving underwater? At the beach?
It's like something like that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be finishing up the wiring for the winch on the Jurassic Park Jeep. I don't know how much I filmed last time. I know that like last time all we did was basically mount and remove all the brackets, everything, mount it to the front bars right here, and we're kind of working with the wiring. I remember the problem we had last time was I couldn't find, I think we were looking in the right place, but I couldn't find a good hole in the firewall to run the wires through. Remember, we were in a rush to go to a car show, and the lights that we installed already right here, which are meant to look like the ones in the movie, right? Got these really cheap. I think they were like 25 bucks at Harbor Freight. But in order to wire these up, literally just ran it through the middle and then through the bottom, through one of the drain holes that's meant obviously for water to leak out when you're off-roading. So it's wired pretty poorly, and today we're gonna see if we can fix it, hopefully get it installed, have a working winch, and then go and take it for a test. Where's the steering column? Is that the steering column?
That's where I am, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, I got a screwdriver in there, but that's not enough.
Let me see if it's going through. Yeah, I see the big one.
Well, then that's the place we'll go.
Yeah, we'll wire right through there. And then I'm also gonna undo this, because I would like to put this properly, you know, the one that's hanging down. That can literally just kind of catch stuff right now. These. The ones that, remember we wired it up quick so that
yeah, I know.
So you can get that way.
You don't want to leave this.
So we'll get rid of that too.
Yeah, you shouldn't be doing that at all.
So let me undo this one. So they want you to mount that to the firewall or to the...
It doesn't matter. But it's got to go. It's got to be bolted somewhere where these cables will reach. The blue and the yellow are going to reach. I'm trying to get this out.
Well, I think they're meaning we could probably put it on that rail because there's a lot of slack with the red and black, right? There's not a lot with the blue. So instead of trying to pull the blue, just put it closer to there, right? I might even be able to put it on the rail.
Well, no, I'm looking at these. This goes to the controller. So how long the wires are on the controller?
Let me look at them.
Yeah, it can be put on the rail.
So we don't have any extra wire. Here's the controller. Well, yeah, the controller has...
It's got to have long enough wires to reach that.
It's meant to stretch. Like, it's meant for you to run this wherever you want it. There's plenty. It's actually nice for Harbor Freight kit. I think this was like 130 bucks. No, that should be secure.
7/16.
Yeah, looks together. Hey, that keeps it from shorting out.
That's all you're
Why not?
can't let it short against the car.
Got that hooked up. Well, I guess now comes the tricky part because I'm gonna have to push. Let me check on that because I just have to hook up the rest of it and decide whether we're wiring to the ignition or not, and then put this stuff through the firewall and hook it up. Should be good to go. All right, take a zip tie. This might work, this might not. Hang on. Yeah, pull it through. This might work. Hang on, let go for a sec. Trying to get it through the rubber. Hang on, one sec. I need a little more room. All right, take two. There we go. Nice.
All right, so let's see. That's all hooked up. That's hooked up. Those are all tight.
Yeah.
So
It's good to me.
just bump it from the inside. I'll bump.
All right, this should be in. Nothing. Let me see what it says.
So hot.
Yeah, it says red to ignition.
Hold on a minute.
It's an ignition controlled wire.
Wait.
Alright, let me test this.
Just wire nut it to that.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
When you're ready.
Alright.
So you're wiring it to that red wire, right?
Yep.
And now I'm going to hook it up to the positive out here. Now, the same thing, we're just going to bump it in only.
Yeah. I'll just bullet it.
Huh?
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Oh, it was going in, so do it one more.
In?
Just a bump, yes. One more. That's it. Okay.
Good.
Well, then that's the deal. That has to go to a hot wire somewhere.
Yeah.
Let me think. Does it have to go to the ignition? It doesn't have to go to the ignition.
Well, that's what they want, but
Well, is there an easy, can you get to the ignition switch?
that's what I'm looking at. Well, I mean,
Difficulty?
would it be in the column or would it be under?
Oh, shit.
I mean, I see a ton of wires, but I don't see like
No,
a
I can't.
that easy, right?
Yeah, and now all we gotta do is one wire from there to the battery.
Yeah.
Well, to
To the fuse,
I
right?
run it to that.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so let me adjust it a little bit. Here, let's try this.
Let me have this thing.
A little bit of sand in there, I think.
Why would they have sand in it? You've been driving underwater? At the beach?
Something like that.
Uh-huh.
Perfect. That looks good.
I'm not gonna mess any rest of it or not?
Looks good. Hey, as long as the winch works and I don't have to use my hands as shovels again.
Well, you never did try out. Turn your lights off.
I'll turn them off. I'm gonna mount them when I get back to the house.
Now, motor the winch out.
Okay. Where's the winch? There you are. Okay, here's out.
Yeah. A little more. Okay, now take it back in. More. One more. That's good. Okay, working.
Works good. It's just, do you think that's going to be a constant drain on the battery or no? Because live wired or?
No, I don't think it
Or hot wired?
I don't think it drains at all. I think it's strictly a, it needs positive to let it work. I think it has nothing to do with drain.
I think it looks pretty good. I think it's better than before. I mean, technically the lights are wired up better than before.
It better be better than before. How come I can't get this close?
Good to me. God damn, this thing's raspy. Alright, so we had a little coolant mishap. I was looking at the temps and it was getting up to like 210. So I don't really know what the operating temps are. So I assume somewhere around 200. It's a little 4-cylinder. So it seemed like it was running a little hot when I had the coolant. When I had the cap off, it was not all the way up to the level. So it definitely needs coolant. Expansion tank looks a little low. So I'm gonna fill that up. Hopefully not blow it up off-roading, but that's gonna be next video. So I'm thinking, unless this one's absolutely really short, I'm trying to keep them, you know, an action-packed one, and then one kind of the install and the rest of the stuff. So if that's the case, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the next video here or here. See ya.